Hello everyone, welcome back to Techwiderockacademy. In this video, I will show you how to send digital rupees using the Axis Mobile Digital Rupee application. So let's get started. First, open the Axis Mobile Digital Rupee application and then tap on the send button. As you can see, my current balance is 100 rupees. If I want to send 100, I have two options: sending via phone number or via QR code. For this demonstration, I will select the QR code option. You can either choose a QR code from your gallery or by scanning. So after scanning, simply swipe up to load the details and then tap continue. Next, you will see a confirmation screen. Verify the details and tap the send digital rupee button. Wait for a few seconds and then enter your valid PIN and then tap on submit button. Finally, you will receive a confirmation screen and a text message confirming that transaction. So that's how you can easily send a digital rupee to someone. So thank you so much for watching.